Yo, what's up sa inyo mga kuys, no? Welcome sa ating new segment, no? Ang Hot Wheels Spotlight, kung saan magkakaroon tayo ng short review sa mga Hot Wheels collections natin, no? So for today's spotlight, we have this eye-catching Hot Wheels Corvette C7 Z06 in pink colorway. Yes, kuys, pink, pero grabe ang angas niya. Also, ito pala ay 2026 release and sa FK siya. So, eto. Ang ganda. Yun, unang tingin pa lang, no, standout na agad yung kulay. Hindi siya typical race red or black. So this pink colorway gives the Corvette a fresh and playful vibe, pero hindi nawawala yung pagka-muscle car niya. So check out the body lines. Ayan, kitang-kita pa rin yung aggressive shape ng Corvette. Ayan yung headlights. Hold it clean. Yung hood vents, ayan yung hood vents. And yung side details, simple pero solid. So black wheels plus pink body, unexpected combo talaga mga kuys. So parang street build na may sariling personality. Yun, usually sanay tayo sa dark or racing colors, no? Pero itong pink version, parang statement piece sa collection. So perfect pang display kasi talagang kukunin niya yung attention mo sa shelf. So para sa ating mga collectors, this is one of those cars na hindi man realistic ang race livery, pero memorable at unique. So good balance ng fun at performance look. So for me mga kuys, I'll give this 8 out of 10, no? Points for uniqueness, clean casting, and shelf presence. So kung trip mo yung unusual colorways, no, must have to sa ating mga collections. And that's it mga kuys for today's Hot Wheels Spotlight. Kung nagustuhan mo itong Corvette C7 Z06 pink colorway, hit a like, comment, follow, subscribe, and share. So comment down below kung anong Hot Wheels naman ang gusto nyong i-spotlight or i-flex natin. So this is Tano Drive Garage. Peace!